Hey y'all, how you doing? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Loving Life Freely on YouTube, eBay, Poshmark, and all those good things. I have a fun update for you on the ThredUp Kids unboxing that I did. I did go to buy sell trade, so if you're interested to see what happened, stay tuned. Okay, you guys, after a couple weeks with snowstorms and I'm unable to actually drive locally around town just because my Mustang doesn't drive in the slushy snow. We still have ice on the roads here, so while Dan has a truck at work, we finally got to my buy-sell trade last Saturday. We went into town on Saturday. And guys, I am so excited about my results, y'all. I'm waiting for ThredUp to bring out another one of these boxes, and I didn't want to buy another one until I actually got these results. It's been about 2.5 weeks since I recently told you about what I was going to be doing. So I'm going to share with you some numbers really quick. I hope this excites you all too. And thank you to a gal that I watched on YouTube. She gave me this idea, and I just want to thank her so much. She's just amazing. Amanda, if you are watching this video, I just so appreciate you, girl. You're rocking it, and I love learning so many other YouTubers and resellers. And thank you so much for sharing the content that you share. I've even gleaned some other things from you, and I just so appreciate you, girl. Thank you so much for sharing what you've shared. And so I did go to buy, sell, trade. I ended up going to Once Upon a Child. I have a Once Upon a Child, and then I have a adults, the men's and women's, it's called Style Encore. They're literally right next door to each other in a development Sioux Falls, which is awesome. So I can go drop adult clothes off and then just go right next door and drop kids clothes off. So this was my first time in this Once Upon a Child. I've never been into one of these before. Went in, I did the little registration thing on their computer. I had this massively big bag. Because y'all know, I think I got like, I'd have to double check my numbers again, but it was like well over 100 pieces. I think it was like, maybe it was like 140 or 160 pieces. It was a lot. It was a lot of pieces of these kids' pieces. And the box cost $120 plus tax. I don't pay shipping on ThredUp because I've ordered so many boxes. And each piece was 75 cents. Okay? So I had, let me see, there's about 30 pieces left. They took 101 pieces, y'all. 101 pieces. I was so excited. And I think I had like 30 pieces left in the bag. And the only reason why they didn't take them is because maybe they had like slight stains, or maybe they were a little bit more worn. So they took 101 pieces. Now keep in mind, it was 75 cents a piece for the items I took in. So my cost of goods that I took in was $75. That was my cost of goods, okay? I came out with a check for $134. Yeah. I was so happy. Not only did when I looked at that, I realized, oh my gosh, this alone paid for the box. And I still have pieces I haven't listed yet. Because the items that they didn't take, and I actually left a few items here that I wanted to list myself anyway. So I have roughly about maybe 30 pieces still that I have not yet listed, that are still in listable condition. I would say that I could probably get anywhere from like maybe $5 to $10 or more for each of these items, hopefully. I had not listed yet. So I figured, even if I only get $5 for each of those 30 pieces that I still have, that is still like another $150 I could potentially make. Right? That's $150. That's $150, I think, yeah, that I could still potentially make. Gosh, I feel like that's a wrong number. But anyway, so either way, I'm still going to make even more money. I've already made my money back on the box and then some, okay? I'm so happy with that. So I still have these other 30 pieces. I'm going to list them on eBay and Mercari. I haven't listed kids pieces on Poshmark yet. I'll kind of get back to the buy sell trade. I haven't listed anything on Poshmark yet because I'm listing my items low because these aren't like Matilda Jane or some of them are Nike, but some more like the Walmart brands and things like that. So honestly, I'm not going to get much, so I didn't have to worry about the 20% and all that. So I've listed them on eBay and Poshmark and Kidizen. I've already sold one piece on eBay, so I'm really happy with that. And I think I made like $5 or something on that piece. Now that was actually from the other box. That was like the $2.25. But guys, it's 75 cents a piece. Even if I only sell them for like $5 to $7, I am still going to make a good profit on top of what I've already made. So yes, I'm going to be doing this again. I've already deposited that check in my bank, and I was going to go through Once Upon a Child and see if I could find some higher end pieces to maybe turn around and flip on the other platforms. But I got really overwhelmed, and Dan was out waiting for me in the car. That store was huge, and there were racks and boxes and racks, just like the aisles were so thin because they had this place packed out. I could not believe how many clothes were in the store. They had so much inventory, and I was seriously overwhelmed. So I got back in touch with Amanda, and I said, help. And she made some recommendations for me. Again, God bless you, Amanda. You're amazing. You're wonderful. I just appreciate you so much. So now when I go back, I have an idea of what to focus on so that I can maybe get some other pieces. But I'm also waiting for that box to show up because I will be getting another one of these boxes. So I hope this update helped y'all. I'm so excited about the potential for this. And I did get some great pieces in that box that I still want to list myself. So yes, I will be getting another one of those boxes. I do think that this was a great thing to do. And speaking of ThredUp, I have some more unboxings coming up that you guys don't want to miss. So if you are not yet subscribed, y'all, you do not want to be missing out on what we're going to be doing in the near future here, you guys. I told you I've been tweaking and changing some things, and I'm really excited about where I'm kind of going with some stuff. Super excited about where my business is going, the product that I'm listing, the things that I'm doing, and how I'm changing things. And I'm constantly trying to improve stuff. Constantly trying to be a better reseller, a better business person, be honest and sincere with things, and just make things better. So again, unboxings, 90-day follow-ups. I know I have done some what soles, but they've been like some of the shorts. I'll probably do another what sold video here soon, because I know it's been a while, and I know that a couple of you like this, so I will do a couple of those. I had a really, really great thrift haul the other day, you guys. I did a short on that here just today. So if you haven't watched that, you guys, go watch that. What I found in the thrift store blew my mind. I was so happy. Okay, so again, unboxings, thrift hauls, all these other content, you guys, this reseller chat we're doing. Been getting so much great feedback from y'all. Even you guys correcting me on things, because I don't always get things right too. I so appreciate all y'all's help and your support. So guys, please do subscribe. Please do like. Give this video a thumbs up. And guys, I'm so excited about the next update. I will probably maybe I'll try to give you guys an update if I sell some of those kids pieces. But you guys do stay tuned. We got more great stuff coming along. We'll see you then.